guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to be talking on XRP arbitrage opportunity. Well, there's something I'm going to be revealing in this particular video that will shock most of you guys. Alright, if this is your first time, just know that you are watching from Trade with the Great YouTube channel, and in my channel I document videos on crypto, Forex, and how to make money online. So if this is your thing, do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I drop lovely content like this, and do well to share my videos as well. And so I encourage you to watch these videos from the beginning to the end so as to digest every information and everything I'm going to be showing in this video. Okay, now let's dive in. Now if you come to my trend right here, I hope you have come across videos like this that will tell you that crypto arbitrage strategy that bring 12 to 14% daily. Okay, and most of these videos, their duration they are no more than 4 to 5 minutes. But I'm going to be revealing something about these particular videos that you'll be watching online. You might have come across these particular videos, or maybe you have not, or yet to someday. So I'm going to be saving you your money right now, okay, so that you don't get your money lost. Okay, now let me go to my YouTube. I'm going to be showing you guys something you need to know. Maybe you don't even know yet. Let me show you something. Okay, now, and most of this channel, most of them, they talk more of arbitrage opportunity on XRP. So is this strategy they are displaying, are they worth it? That I'm going to be showing you. So I know you should have come across videos like this. Okay, videos like this particular video where they show you how to make money trading arbitrage, and mostly they are focused on RSP, and they always advertise only one exchange that accepts you trading. That is, you buy XRP from other exchange, reputable exchanges, and send it to that particular one, then you go trade them there. Imagine all these videos are same video, they are repeated. All these are repeated videos posted right here online. So now there are strategies they display. Let's see if this strategy really works. Okay, so now if this particular video say that we should buy on binance, or you buy on top exchanges, Bitgets, now the those reputable exchanges, Binance, Bitgets, Bitmart, and the rest. So now if you buy there, you come to this particular exchange and sell on a high, and you make about 11% of that profit. So imagine you trade with large money, and they will show you that you trade with 10,000, right? And you'll be able to make at least 10% of that particular 10,000. That's $1,000 plus. So which is, if you are trading with $100, you should be making at nothing less than $10. If you are trading with $500, you should be making nothing less than $50, so on. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you something. So this is the particular platform which these people advertise in their channel, that this platform is going to help you sell, that's where you are going to be selling this particular arbitrage, this particular coin XRP so fast. So now let's dive in. Now if you get to this particular exchange right now, this particular exchange, they say the exchange is called Bit26, right? Bit26.com, even though it has the .com, which means that this particular strategy could be, this particular exchange could be there for some times now. But looking at it right now, I know some of you are just seeing this particular Bit26, right? This particular exchange for the first time. Now, even they say reliable sales and purchase of cryptocurrency, this crypto exchange is not reliable to me. Okay, the fact that I'm just saying it for the first time, there have not been any true partner with this particular exchange. So guys, stay out from exchanges like this. Right now you can see the price of XRP on their platform. Now let's go and check the price of XRP on places like BitGet or any exchange like that. Well, let's use BitGet and check for the price of XRP right there on BitGet. Okay, now let's check for the price. So I decided to use another exchange ever since the BitGet is giving us an issue. So this particular exchange is a MEXC. Right now you can see the particular price that XRP is seen in other platform. But you come into this particular platform right here, this particular platform is trading XRP for $2.3. Wow, amazing. Which means for every $2 you risk on this particular trade, you get to make about 30 cents, right? Okay, 30 cents. You are going to be making 30 cents. So this is what this particular platform is promising you on XRP. Okay. Now let's check to see if truly we purchase this particular coin that we are going to be making profit. Before you trade with any particular exchange, I will recommend you guys to do your research properly. Okay, do your research. Now, taking a research on this particular exchange to see what people are talking about it. Let's just take a quick research. Right now you can see, I've not even gone deep on this research, and right here I'll be seeing scam, warning, scam everywhere. Right now you can see people posting scam warning, lost my money to this particular exchange. Also on Instagram, there have been scam alerts on this particular exchange called the Bitosis. They are blocking withdrawals and trapping users' funds. You feel that, right? So now, if you are going to take an arbitrage opportunity with this platform, you are on your own. Please and please stay out from this particular exchange. Stay out from this particular exchange. Don't trade your money. They are lying to you. They are not going to be selling. There's no way you can purchase XRP on that particular amount. If you send your money to their platform, they will likely take your money. Okay, even if I've not done it, but I don't need to do it. One is that this particular exchange is not reputable to me. I'm just saying it for the first time. For me to trade with an exchange, this exchange should have collaborated with so many companies, recommended by top crypto enthusiasts. In X, they should have an X account, and right now I'm not even sure this particular exchange have an X account which they operate on, and I don't think they are being recognized. So you should stay out from this kind of exchange. So stay clear from exchanges like this. Okay, even if you sign up with them, they will likely take your money, telling you one or two reasons. So stay out from exchanges like this. So I'll end this video here. So see you in another video. Bye.